see you again. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm going to be opening up Medusa. Medusa is a monthly subscription and runs $16.95 every month, and usually includes 4 full-size products. This is what it looks like. They put some nice red wrapping paper in there. There are a whole bunch of cards, and I like that the print on the box goes all the way through, so that's always nice. Save the date, and it's only exclusive to subscribers. So if you want it, sign up. I'll leave a link down below. The little coupon for 10% off. Love Byrd. That's the front of the card. Gives you a little spoiler alert of what's coming up in the following months. Gives you a list of everything that comes included this month, and at the very bottom gives you the prices. A product from Love Byrd, and this is a face mist, hydrating face spritzer. So I'm pretty sure the spritzer is supposed to be used after you wash your face and before makeup. Maybe? So let's spritz away. My face feels moisturized. I've never used a face spritzer before, so if I act like I don't know what I'm doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. And this runs $10. The Medusa'S makeup. And this is an eyeshadow, and it's in the color Martinique. Ooh, it's giving me a very Caribbean vibe, which I adore. And it's a matte eyeshadow. It's in such a nice blue. For a matte, it's pretty creamy. There she is. There is Martinique. So this is what Martinique looks like on my eyes. As you can see, I look like a freaking raccoon. So there is a significant amount of fallout. It's like I put glasses on. I put down a white base and put down Martinique over it in the front, and it made it a lot brighter. I'm not loving this look. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not it. But I'm just gonna keep going, and we shall see. Sunkissed bronzer. Ooh, that looks cute. I'll just, ooh, a little, I don't know if you can see it, but there are little sparkles in it too. Oh. Things that make me go, yes, yes, yes. So that is the bronzer. It's looking a little red. Alright, I'm gonna go like this. You see it? I don't see it. Do you see it? Because I don't see it. And I don't want to keep doing it either. Because I'm gonna look like a freak when I'm done. I'm gonna say it's there. I can't see it, but then again, I'm kind of blind, so I can't see a lot of things. So we're just gonna close it up, because I keep running into the issue with the bronzers. I'm gonna figure it out, I promise, but not today. The bronzer does run $13. Medusa'S makeup lip paint. This packaging looks like it's been through the ringer. Look at that, it's all busted. They made that box tight. Gonna be a little light. You'll see it, you'll see it. Shag me, baby. It'll scaring me. It looks like nail polish a little bit. Look how thick it is. Put a dab right here. Oh, that is light pink. It's a very vibrant light pink, but ooh, I'm scared, I'm scared. You know what? It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Let's keep painting. So I really like this lip stain. It is definitely way outside of my comfort zone, but with the blue eyeshadow, I think it's a win. And this runs $12. Goodbye.